Do you want to know what the number one thing I see most HubSpot users forget to do when setting up their HubSpot hub? Not sure if you did it? Well, then keep on watching because that's exactly what we're covering in today's video. Did you set yours up? Did you? Hey, you know what time it is. That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative bringing yet another HubSpot educational video. If we're meeting for the first time, let me first say welcome to the community. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and that bell to get more valuable, entertaining, and educational HubSpot and inbound related videos along the way. Want to get found online, generate more qualified leads, and drive more revenue for your business? Then check out the links in the description below. As hey, you know we've helped hundreds of other folks just like you solve those exact problems. So many times when I'm helping consult and coach HubSpot users, I see this vital missing point. It's one of the items we make sure to always cover when helping new folks onboarding with HubSpot, and today we're making sure that you have what you need in place and showing you the easiest way to make it happen. What am I talking about? HubSpot subscription and error pages and templates. Now, the first thing we have to do is simplify the complex. When I'm talking about subscription and error pages, it has to do with the subdomains that you've connected to the three major HubSpot marketing tools: blog, email, and landing pages. If you happen to be hosting your website on something like WordPress, Joomla, Squarespace, not HubSpot CMS, then those error pages and subscription pages are completely separate, and you may just want to mirror what you have currently for those other systems inside your HubSpot hub. But if you're hosting your site on the HubSpot CMS and or have connected 1, 2, or 3 of the marketing tools, you need to make sure you get these templates in place for your subscription and error pages. So let's get started by jumping in and showing you how can you create your own templates inside HubSpot's Design Manager. So if you want to create your own error pages or subscription pages, you can come to the Marketing tab. You can go to Files and Templates, and then you can go to Design Tools. Once you're in Design Tools, you can hit Create New File. And at first it looks like you've got the ability to do module, CSS, these different files. But notice if you scroll up, you're going to see that you have the ability to click Drag and Drop, and you can hit Next. Then it's going to say Template Type, and we're going to be able to actually do a drop down here, and notice we have error page, password prompt, search results page. So depending on what you're trying to build, which we'll just do error page here, we'll go ahead and call this 404 page, and we'll go ahead and hit create. And now what you're going to see is we have a blank area here with header, body, and footer, and we can start to use the different design modules to build out exactly what we want for header, body, and footer. Just know that there are different modules for different pages that you're creating, but since this is a 404 error page, we could literally start dragging in rich text modules and images and whatever we want to do. I have to ask, are you a little freaked out about trying to use the HubSpot Design Manager? Wish there was an easier way? Well, guess what? You know I got you. There is an easier way, and it's called using a theme from the HubSpot Marketplace. Let me show you what I mean. So if you don't want to create your own templates and you want to fast forward your subscription pages and error pages, you could literally come over to the marketplace here and go to Asset Marketplace. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up in a new tab, and if I go to the Asset Marketplace and go to Themes, what I can do is simply go to a theme. In this case, we're going to go to our Sprocket Talk free theme, and notice here 2 error page templates. If I go ahead and open that up, 404 and 500. Subscription preference templates, it's in there as well. So again, in themes, you can go ahead and get that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just search for Sprocket Talk, and we'll see that we also, other than the free one, we have the Evolve theme that you can purchase. And again, notice 1 search result template, 2 error page templates, 1 password prompt template, 1 subscription preference, 13 page templates. You get the idea. This is a way that you can quickly fast forward those error pages and subscription pages with things that are already built inside a theme that you can purchase from the HubSpot Marketplace. Are you ready to apply your own templates you created or the templates you just got by downloading the theme from the HubSpot Marketplace? Well, that's what we're going to cover next. But first, are you getting value out of this tutorial? Well then please give it a like, hit that subscribe and the bell as well for those instant notifications. You see, we want to serve you with all of your HubSpot and inbound learning needs, and the only way that we can achieve that goal is if you let us know that you're interested and that you're part of the YouTube tribe. Now, how do we apply the templates to our HubSpot Error pages? Well, it's pretty simple, and we need to head into settings to make it happen. So to modify the templates for your error pages and subscription pages, you can simply come up here to the settings gear. Once you get into the settings, you're going to come over to the left-hand panel and you're going to scroll down to pages. Once you're on pages, you're going to see that there are system pages or a system pages tab here. And once we click on that, you're going to see 404 error page, 500 error page, password prompt, search result, and depending on what actual HubSpot hub you have, you may see some other items in here as well. This is where you're going to take the templates that you created or downloaded with a theme or template and actually be able to apply them. So in this case, you can see that we're using the 404 error page in the Evolve template, the 500 error page in the Evolve template, and the password prompt page in the Evolve template. So it makes it very easy if you actually have purchased a theme or template to transition these. But again, you can fall back to the actual templates that you created yourself. Guess what? Subscription pages are just as easy, but they're located in a little bit of a different area. Let's dig back into your HubSpot hub and show you how to get that done as well. So just like error pages, when you're doing your subscription preferences, you're going to come up here to the settings gear. And once the settings left panel opens, you're going to go ahead and go into marketing and then into email. And once you're in email, you're going to see that you have subscriptions. And then you're going to see that we have subscription preference page, unsubscribe backup page, subscription prompt confirmation page. And again, you can create your own templates, or if you've purchased a theme, in this case we're going to go ahead and do a search for Evolve. I'm going to go ahead and select Evolve for my template. Notice I have a save button down here, but I'm going to go ahead and grab Evolve real quick for all of these, and then I'll go ahead and save it. There we go. So now you can see Evolve template system for all of those. We'll hit save. And now I have the subscription preferences that I want. If I click on this to edit the page, it will take me where I can actually edit the page of any of these three. And there you have it. You're ready to move on and focus on killing it with all of your HubSpot tools, knowing you have the foundational pieces in place. Are you ready to drive more traffic, generate more leads, and drive more revenue? Then simply check out the links in the description below. Want to get more educational and entertaining videos just like this one right here in the future? Then make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell as well for those handy dandy instant notifications. Also, make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com and sign up for your free, that's right, I said free membership for even more content like interviews, podcast episodes, and other additional resources. Make sure you get your HubSpot subscription pages and error page templates ready to rock and roll when it comes to your contacts getting back on track and setting their communication preferences. Continue to be a HubSpot ninja. Of course, do great marketing. And until next time, when we meet in the next video, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting along the way.